This video is a guide to escaping the Matrix. Now look, the Matrix isn't just a movie, it's actually your life. Right now, in this moment, you're living inside a system designed to keep you comfortable, distracted and obedient. It's digital, psychological and spiritual enslavement wrapped in Netflix subscriptions and weekend plans. The bars of your prison are made of convenience, entertainment and the fear of being uncomfortable. And the craziest part is that you defend those bars like they're protecting you. But here's the truth that's gonna set you free. You don't escape the Matrix by running away from it. You escape by outgrowing it. Today, I'm giving you the complete blueprint. 7 levels of liberation that will take you from trapped in the Matrix to completely free, making fuck you money, doing whatever you want. And let me tell you who I am real quick because context matters in this scenario. I come from a low middle class family. My dad's a nurse and my mom a nursing assistant. They worked their entire lives, trading time for money. And I watched them struggle, budget, and always worry about the price of food and basic necessities. That environment, that feeling of always being one emergency away from financial disaster, that was my normal. And honestly, that shitty life is exactly what made me want to escape the Matrix. I didn't have a safety net. I didn't have any connections. I didn't have some trust fund to fall back on. What I had was hunger, determination, and a refusal to accept that my zip code and my parents' lack of financial education determined my destiny, our destiny. So I started learning high-value skills and I built my own online business. I reward my entire identity from the ground up. And I succeeded in making thousands of dollars a day in profit, not because I was special. Not because I was born rich, because I sure as hell wasn't, but because I was willing to do what most people want. I traded comfort for growth. I invested in myself when I had close to nothing, when it was scary. And I outworked my circumstances until reality had no choice but to change. That's who I am, someone who proved the Matrix is optional if you're willing to pay the price to escape it. The first level is mental liberation. You need to reprogram your mind. You have to understand that in this world, your attention, your focus is the new currency. Whoever controls your dopamine controls your destiny. Just think about it. Every app on your phone, every platform you scroll on, every notification that pops up is carefully engineered to capture but also to keep your attention. And when your attention is scattered, your power is scattered. This is why most people feel like they're stuck in a fog. They wake up, immediately grab their phone, scroll for 30 minutes before even getting out of bed, and wonder why they feel anxious and unmotivated. Your mind is being hijacked before you even start your day. So here's what you do: a dopamine detox. Remove the apps that are stealing your focus. Delete social media from your phone if you have to. And most importantly, practice solitude daily. Just you, no phone, no music, no podcasts, nothing. Let yourself be bored and fast regularly. It resets your reward system and teaches your brain that discomfort isn't death. Digital minimalism isn't about being extreme. It's about being intentional about what you do, what you consume and what you don't consume. When you remove the noise, the truth starts whispering again and you can pick up on it. You start hearing your own thoughts instead of everyone else's opinions. You start seeing the patterns in your life instead of being distracted by everyone else's highlight reels. Mental liberation is the foundation. Without this, everything else I'm about to tell you won't stick. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Moving on to the second level, physical liberation. The Matrix weakens men by destroying physical vitality. Just look around you. People are softer, weaker, more tired than ever before. And that's not an accident, what do you think? A weak body creates a weak mind, and weak minds are easier to control. Discipline starts in the flesh. Cold exposure teaches your nervous system to handle stress. Hit the gym and lift heavy weights. Build actual physical strength, not just for aesthetics, but for the mental fortitude that comes with it. Run long distance, train yourself to handle hard shit. Eat clean, whole foods that fuel your body instead of draining it. Every rep in the gym is an act of rebellion against a system that wants you comfortable and compliant. Back when I was a broke kid and couldn't even afford a gym membership or a proper home gym yet, I'd go down to the basement and work out, watching HIIT training videos on my phone. Just me, a shitty mattress on the concrete floor, and some random fitness YouTubers screaming at me through the screen. And I'm not gonna lie to you, I fucking hated every second of it at first. My body was sore. I was exhausted. I wanted to quit every single time, but I did it anyway because I knew I was building something bigger than muscle. I was building mental strength. I understood that a strong body meant a strong mind. And if I couldn't push through 20 minutes of burpees in my parents' basement, how the hell was I ever gonna push through the hard days of building a business? Pain was either gonna kill me or make me stronger, and I chose stronger. Every rep, every drop of sweat, every moment I wanted to quit but didn't, that was me proving to myself that I was capable of more than my circumstances suggested. That basement became my training ground for everything that came after. Here's what nobody's willing to tell you. You can have all the knowledge, all the strategy, all the ambition in the world, but if your body is depleted, your mind will follow. Physical discipline creates mental discipline. When you can push through a hard workout, you can push through a hard business day. When you can handle the cold shower, you can handle the uncomfortable conversation. Your body is the vehicle for everything else you want to achieve. You want to treat it like the most important asset you own, because it is. The third level is financial liberation. Look, the Matrix rewards obedience with paychecks. You trade your time for money, follow someone else's schedule, build someone else's dream, and call it security. But here's the reality. You're not secure if you need permission to eat or to go take a shit. Freedom starts when you can feed yourself without asking anyone else for permission. You have to build skill-based income streams that aren't tied to a location, a boss, a corporation, or a time clock. Learn high-value skills like even video editing, personal branding, copywriting, sales, building offers, paid advertising, whatever it is that you can monetize independently. Look, I'm not saying that you have to quit your job tomorrow if you're not ready, if you're not making more with your business first. I'm saying start building the skills today that will make quitting possible tomorrow. Spend your evenings and weekends learning instead of scrolling or binge watching Netflix. Invest in yourself instead of investing in comfort, because money isn't the goal. Leverage and freedom are. When you have leverage, you have options. When you have options, you have freedom. And when you have freedom, you can finally start living on your own terms instead of someone else's. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now let's move on to the fourth level, time liberation. The system doesn't just steal your money, it steals your hours. Think about how much of your day is spent doing things that don't actually move your life forward. Fake busyness disguised as productivity, meetings that could have been emails, scrolling that could have been spent creating value instead. Let's be brutally honest about what most people's lives actually look like. They wake up early because they have to, not because they want to. They commute 30 minutes to an hour to a job they don't even like. They sit under fluorescent lights for 8 to 10 hours doing work that doesn't even fulfill them, that's not even that important for most of them, then commute another hour back home. By the time they walk back home, it's pitch black outside. They haven't seen sunlight all day. They've got chores waiting for them, like doing the dishes, laundry, cleaning, if they have kids helping them with their homework, making dinner, bedtime routines, etc. By the time everything's done, they're completely drained. They've got zero energy left to build their dreams, zero mental capacity to work on that business idea, zero willpower to learn that skill that could change everything for them. So what do? They collapse on the couch, turn on Netflix, numb out for 2 hours, and then go to sleep, and then wake up the next morning and do it all over again, day after day, week after week, year after year, until one day they're 65 and wondering where their life went. That is not a fucking life. And the worst part is that most people defend this cycle like it's the only option, like they don't have a choice. But you do have a choice. You just have to be willing to sacrifice comfort now for freedom later. Right now, do a calendar audit. Look at your last week and ask yourself, what actually mattered? What activities actually made me money for real versus other activities which only made me feel busy. Then you want to ruthlessly eliminate everything that's not essential, everything that's not making you more money. Block deep work time too. I'm talking about uninterrupted hours where you focus on the one thing that will move the needle most. And every single day, spend some time alone. This is when your best thinking happens. Guard your time like it's sacred, because it is. Time is the only resource you can never get back. Every single morning, I'm up at 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. sharp, and I work on the highest return on investment activities in my business, nothing else. If you can do that every day for 6 months to 2 years, imagine the kind of results you can get. In your business, in your health, in your relationship. Most people treat their time like it's limited. They'll waste 2 hours scrolling, but say they don't have time to work on their business. They'll buy a $1,000 iPhone and say they can't invest in mentorship. They'll spend 40 hours a week building someone else's dream, but say they're too tired to build their own. That's matrix thinking. Break out of it. The fifth level is location liberation. Freedom means your zip code no longer defines your destiny. The matrix wants you to believe you have to stay where you are. Accept the cost of living and quality of life of wherever you happen to grow up. You can't do better, but we live in a world where you can work from anywhere with Wi-Fi nowadays. Global mobility is real. Minimalism isn't about owning nothing necessarily, it's about being free to move. Design your life so you're not trapped by stuff, by leases, by geography. Now, you have to be careful because travel doesn't make you free. Discipline does. I've seen people as soon as they start making money online, and they make more money than with their job, they run to Bali thinking location change equals life change. It doesn't. If you are undisciplined in your hometown, you'll be undisciplined in Tokyo, in Bali, in Miami, wherever you go. But if you build discipline first, then leverage location to enhance your life, that is when real freedom happens. You move into an environment you love, an environment that inspires you, where you can network with high-level people. You want to surround yourself with people who are building something big, not just people who are happy existing with a shitty life. Your environment shapes your psychology more than almost anything else. Moving on to level 6, social liberation. Look, you can't escape the matrix if you're surrounded by people who defend it. This is the hard one, because it means looking at your closest relationships and asking tough questions. Audit your social circle right now. Who are you spending the most time with? Are they pulling you forward or are they holding you back? Are they challenging you to grow or keeping you comfortable? You become who you tolerate. If you're tolerating mediocrity, laziness, and victimhood in your circle, that's what you will become. Every friendship is either an anchor or a sail. Anchors keep you in place. Sails push you forward. You need more sails, fewer anchors. And sometimes that means having difficult conversations. Sometimes it means creating distance from people you've known your whole life. People who don't really support you, who aren't really good for you. It can even be family members. This isn't about being cold or arrogant. It's about being intentional with your energy. Because you only have so much of it, and the people you give it to will either multiply it or drain it completely. So choose your social circle wisely. This leads us to the 7th level, purpose liberation. This is the final boss. Freedom without purpose is just a guaranteed way to relapse into your old identity and old destructive habits. You can escape the matrix mentally, physically, financially, in every way possible. But if you don't know what you're escaping for, you'll end up right back in it. You weren't meant to escape just to relax. You weren't meant to get free just to do nothing. You were meant to create, to build, to contribute something meaningful to the world. Purpose is what keeps you moving forward when freedom gets too comfortable. Ask yourself, what am I building toward? What legacy am I creating? What problem am I solving? If the only goal is to make money and chill, you're gonna get bored pretty fast. And boredom leads right back to the distractions that trapped you in the first place. So let's recap the 7 levels. Mind, body, money, time, location, people, purpose. Each one builds on the last. You can't just skip levels. You can't just do the ones that feel easy for you. Otherwise, you're not truly free. You're still within the matrix. True escape requires liberation on all 7 fronts. Remember that freedom isn't a gift. It's not given. It's a war you fight for daily against comfort, against distraction, against fear. The matrix isn't out there in some distant system. It's in your habits, your environment, your excuses, your comfort zone. Every single day, you're either reinforcing the prison or breaking free from it. The people who actually escape are not smarter than you. I want you to really understand that. They're not more talented. They just decided that being comfortable was more dangerous than being uncomfortable. They chose the hard path because they knew the easy path led nowhere. So what's it gonna be? Are you gonna stay plugged in, telling yourself it's not that bad, finding reasons why you can't start today like 99% of people? Or are you going to unplug, face the discomfort, and build a life that's actually yours? It's up to you. The Matrix only has power if you give it permission. So take that fucking permission back, because everything you've ever wanted is waiting for you on the other side of your excuses. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.